how to turn on post view history on your TikTok. Today guys, I will show you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end and make sure that you like and subscribe in this channel. So let's start. First you will just go to TikTok and open it. After this, when your TikTok is opening, you will just go down here on your profile. Then on your profile guys, you will just click here on this three line at the top of the screen, then go to settings and privacy, and then go to privacy, and then you will just go down and go to post views, and then you will turn on post view history by turning on this like this, and that's it. It will work with you. So I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. So see you next video.